I want to get me opinionated peeps. So by now, most of you should already see the videos gone viral of the soldiers beating these women in Denham town, Jamaica, right? Now, we're going to watch the video and then we're going to break it down and I'm going to give you my opinion on this. Make we do it.
Mowgli, shoot up 9 feet.
Make sure to tell one on the two of them, sir. And when you come to the post, I'm having a charger, I have a block clotting. Remember me telling you that? Remember me block clotting? And we're going to bring a block clot.
Alright. Now, first opinion is this. This is what happens when you have the defense force. I'm going to stress that. The defense force patrolling the streets. This is what happens. This is what happens when you have the people who are supposed to be defending the country doing the police's job. You have to remember now, soldiers are trained to go to war. Soldiers are trained for combat. Soldiers are not trained to talk things out with them enemy. That's the first thing. So when you have the soldiers on the street doing the police's job, them are going to go out there for war. Them are going to go out there and war with the very same people who they are supposed to be defending or protecting. So that's the very first wrong step right there. Them not supposed to be on the streets. Now, me see some people that say everybody talking about what the soldier do is wrong, but nobody is looking at how aggressive the woman was being. Now, of course she had all right to be aggressive. Of course she had all right to be upset. Of course she had all right to react the way she react because she is human. And whoever the person is that was being placed in the vehicle, be it our son, our brother, our uncle, or whatever family member, or even a friend, if she reacts emotionally as a female, that's fine. She was shouting, she was screaming, she was arguing, cool. That's her right to speak. Now, had she been the one to touch the soldier first, yeah, me see she approach him, but all me I watch the video, me not see she touch him. Had she been the one to touch the soldier first, I would be saying something totally different right now. But I did not see her touch him. I saw where the soldier pushed her first. And that right there was wrong. Him never have no right for shove her neither. Now mind you, me I go reiterate, soldiers defense force officers are trained for war. So them are go attack if they feel like they are being attacked. May we put that out there. But them fi also remember, say the people on the street are not them enemy. That's what the soldier them need to remember. So, who me give wrong in this whole scenario is not the woman. I give the soldier wrong in this scenario. Because the soldier should not have touched her at all. Lower make she talk. Lower make she run on her mouth. You shouldn't shove her. Now, this I go prove my point in this next clip here. Watch it. Now the only thing I get from watching these videos is this. The people of these so-called ghetto communities are not viewed as humans. They are seen as less than people to be respected. Because these officers right here, these defense force officers right here, they are the one that attack these people. From watching these videos, I did not see, like I said, had it been weird from watching the videos, me see where the woman them attack the officers first, I would have been sitting here saying something totally different right now. But from watching the video, I see where these officers were the ones who were the aggressors. For example, this one right here, so you notice how he kick the girl? Of course, lower makes she talk. That's fine. Talking is not a crime. Talking is not a crime. So she's shouting and screaming and carrying on does not give them the right to kick her. But like I said, that is what it results in when you put defense force officers to do the police's job. They were trained to go to war, so them feel like them at war with the very own citizens of the island. Them not nobody for war, you know. It's not like Jamaica is being attacked by another country. So them not get to release all that pent up energy where them have inside. Them not get to go to real combat. So them being placed on the streets, that's how them get to vent. That's how them get to release it. But as me say, nothing not gonna come out of that video, yeah. Nothing not gonna come out of this attack on these women. Nothing not gonna come out of seeing clearly a woman being beaten with a gun. Nothing is going to come out of it. Because we already know how the system is set up already. Talk to me in the comment section, family. Let me know what is your take, your views, and your opinion on this one. Because as me always tell you, your opinion matters.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.